What's your folks? Today we're solving What is Making That Noise by Zibl. The rule set is as follows. Normal Sudoku rules apply, Japanese sums, which is kind of a nonogram. Shade some cells such that the blues outside the grid indicate the sum of the digits in continuously blocks of shaded cells in the respective row or column. Blocks have to be separated by at least one unshaded cell. And white KROPKI rules. If you want to try it yourself, hit the first link in the description. If you just want to watch my solving attempt or need a clue for yours, let's dive in and unravel this. So I'm gonna explain the Japanese sums rule while we go. And we'll have a look at this 45, and this 45 means we have to shade cells that sum to 45. And in a normal Sudoku, all the numbers 1 to 9, of course, add up to 45. So we can shade those, let's say green, and it needs to be a continuous block. So with 42 and 28, we also can shade those cells. We can kind of unshade those because they don't have a number on the left-hand side. So it means they're not part of any shading. Now, what can help is we need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers in this row. And if you go like shaded, unshaded, shaded, unshaded, shaded, unshaded, shaded, unshaded, shaded, that is exactly 5. So we do know already that those are our numbers. Same applies for this shaded, unshaded, shaded, unshaded, shaded, unshaded, and shaded. So those are exactly 8, 1, 3, and 9. So this is unshaded as this is. Another thing is if we see a 1 can only be a single cell digit, it can't be made of. So that needs to be surrounded by unshaded cells. Now we got like a 2 is the same. We can't have 2 and 2 digit 2 cells, so that's our 2, giving us the 5 as single and the 1 already, because like 5 and 1 again can't be in 2 cells, unshaded. Now, same with the 4. 4 can be in 2 cells, like 3 and 1, can also be in just 1. But that definitely is our 6. So we're gonna unshade this. And the 8s can be made out of 2 cells, but also can be 1. We don't know that yet. But what we're gonna do is highlight the numbers outside the grid that we already figured out. So we don't need to waste any more thought about them. Okay. 4 can't be made out of 3 cells, can only be 2, so that's not part of it, giving us 5 here in the row. Same here, 5 can only maximum be 2, so that is not part of the 5. Giving us the 7 here. We can pencil mark already on the 6s in the box, so get a new number, it is 8. Okay. 3 by Sudoku goes in here. That means the 4 needs to be a single cell 4. Can't be made of 3 and 1. So that's our 4. This is not part of the shading. The 8 is somewhere here, and the 4 is in one of those. 4 can't be made of 3 cells, so they are not shaded, and we can put in the 1 and the 6. 9 here. You can't have 6 and 3, but the 3 is definitely part of it. So it needs to be at least 3 cells, and then we need to put 1 cell in the middle that's not part of the 9. So we got a 7 here. But the 1 here, the 5 is down here, can be maximum 2 cells. Those are not part of the 5. Giving us the 2 in here and the 5. Because I need one unshaded region in between, which is this. Color them, color them, because the 9 also we can put the 4 in here, because 2, 3, and 4 add up to 9, which gives us unshaded cell here. 6 is in here. So although this row is completely shaded, that's the 1 I explained earlier. We can be 1 cell. This can't be part of it, giving us a 5 in here. And the 6 could be like the 1, 2, and 3. So it could be 3 cells, but not that yet. We can do a little bit of pencil marking in here. We already colored this one. We already colored this. Oh, and this is the single 6. This one. Okay. What else? Can we do any better with this 8? Can be a single cell 8. Cannot be a 7 and 1 because we have both in this. 6 and 3, no, because a 6 in here. And 5, 6 and 2, no, and 5 and 3 also not because we have a 3 in here. So this needs to be single cell 8, giving us this, and then pencil mark 7 and 9. Can we do the same with this 4? Of course, one option is a single cell 4. I could have a 3 and a 1. No 1 in here. Okay, because 1 is on the left-hand side of both cells, so no 3 and 1, and of course no 2, 2 in the same block. So this is our 4, giving us this unshaded and this 6 in here. We have solved those two. Now we got the 4 in here. Okay, so those greens need to add to 42. We have 45 in the column max, so this is a 1-2 pair. can do the same with the 28 because 45 minus 28 giving us 17 in here, so that's a pair. Need like 2 in that column, 3 in that column, and 4. Okay, and the 4 is here and here already, so that's our 4. There can't be a 2 in here, so that's the 3, that's the 2. We complete the row with another 3. And this is a pair of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Can put them in because of this 8. And now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Pencil marking 4, 6, 8. 6 is the only valid option. And now we got the 4 and the 8, single digits, green. So this has to be the 5 because of this. We got 45 done, 45 done after putting in the 7 here. 42 is done, 28 is done, 7 is done. Okay, everything's colored just fine. Now we can check for the Sudoku. We need 4 and 1 of those to complete the row. We got 4 in this already, so the 4 is in here. 6 in one of those, 6 in here, giving us a 6 there, and 9. 9 consecutive digit is 8. We need still 1 in this row. This one rules out those 2, so 1, 2 in one of those. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 is here, so that's the 2, that's the 9. Complete the box with a 1. Here is missing 7 and 8. That's a pencil mark pair. And here 2 and 9. Let's check for all the ones. Ones are just missing. And those 2. 3 in here. And 2 in here. 2s. Here looking down. 2's in here. There is a 2. Giving us the 1 in here because that's a pair. And that's the 2. No 1 here. Let's check for 2's again. So 2 needs to be in here. No more 2 in here, 2. That's all the 2's. Let's check for this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. It needs to be here because of this one. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in here, giving us the 9 here. Last one in that box is the 5. This is a pair of 7 and 1. Let's check for trace. 3, 3, there's 3 here, 4, and here, 4, 4, looking at 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 not in the bottom because of this, and then 8 and 9 in here, leaving this to be a 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, because of this 8, 7, now we can then those two, this column still needs 7, giving us 1 and 7 here, 1 and here. This column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this row needs to be in here. So this one, 7, 8, and 9, giving us 8, 9 here, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last digit is 9 again. I hope you enjoyed it.